What will happen in a drag race between an Audi RSQ8 Performance and an Aston Martin DBX 707? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. The Audi RSQ8 Performance has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 640 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It sends power to all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 2,275 kilograms and costs from £142,000. The Aston Martin DBX 707 has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 707 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. It drives all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 2,245 kilograms, and when it was on sale, it cost from £210,000. I've been driving around in this Q8 for quite a while now, and it's a little bit like a wolf in sheep's clothing because most of the time it's just super comfortable, relaxing, and you don't really realise the power until you need to overtake someone or join the motor, and then it goes like absolute stink. It really is fast. Also handles surprisingly well as well for a big tall vehicle. Thing is, the same can be said for that Aston Martin, and inside that Aston Martin just has more of a boutique high-end feel to it. But is it quicker in a straight line? Well, we're going to find out. We've got German power from both of them, obviously. This one being an Audi engine, that one being a Mercedes engine. But we're going to see. Could come down to driver skill, and obviously I'm a better driver than the chap in that car. So let's speak to him. Hello, Sam. How are you?
Hi, Matt. How are you?
I seem to be in stereo, wait there.
That's how I come across best.
Okay. Oh, why did I do that? What's going to happen? Do you think you're going to win?
Well, you've brought your Audi, Lamborghini, Porsche, VW. With all that PR behind it, it should be a much better car.
You've bought a British Mercedes.
At least it's one car.
Okay, that is beautiful. And it is a bespoke platform, whereas this goes, like you said, across everywhere. It's a bit of a slag of the platform for this car. But let's start off with the sound check before we actually look at the performance. So I'm going to go first. Bit waffly. Soft limiter. Snatch. Let's hear yours. Very narrow victory, both pretty disappointing. It's a win for the Audi, I think.
No, I got a pop. Did you get a pop?
It was my pop. It was my pop. Don't steal my pop. You ain't got no pop. No pop. No pop. My pop.
Okay, yeah, that's the rules. You popped, you win.
Yeah, I popped, I win. Okay, brilliant. Now, if you're thinking about changing your car, you can do it through Carwow. You can sell your current car through Carwow. So just upload photos, give a brief description, then have dealers all across the country bid on it, compete for your car. And then you can buy your next car through Carwow as well, either a used car, got loads on there, and we've also got a load of offers on new cars, so you can compare prices, make sure that you're paying a fair price for your next new car. Then, if you need to, you can actually lease a car through Carwow. We've got some great offers there as well. So if you're thinking about changing car, or you know someone who is, then click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now, or the link in the description. Use that to go to Carwow. If you want to do it at a later date, just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you change your car. I bet my digital driver's display is better than yours.
You're also in a brown car, so, you know, those in glass houses.
I love the colour. I think it's a great colour, but yours... Oh.
Correct. This makes that look more brown, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, because it's very green. Anyway, enough chit-chat. People are getting bored. Let's race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! He got away better than me. Oh! Oh, it's gapping now. Oh, bye-bye! I reckon if I get a better launch, which this can, I could have him. Formal protest.
You see, what I love about that, I know what you're going to say, right? But I went, oh, I jumped there a little bit. And then I looked to my left and you had also jumped. So I think that was a good race.
So I wasn't going to call a jump, but now you got me suspicious. I was just going to make up some random protest. But no, I need to check. I'm going to check and see. And if you jumped, that's 1-0 to me.
No, bollocks. Anyway, it's we jumped, not I jumped.
It's so close that I think, Matt, you need to take a look and decide for yourself.
Absolutely not. He is not the deciding factor in this. Absolutely not. No way.
Yeah, it's very close. But...
Tommy, have a set of bollocks on you now, Tommy, and stand up, right? Think for yourself, man.
I'm honest.
You better be honest, Tommy.
I am honest.
Don't agree with him.
He jumped.
See, of course he's f***ing saying that.
You did jump.
You did jump, and I didn't. And I didn't. Mine was perfect. Look, this is it, really slow motion. So the idea is you can go as soon as the hands start to move. If they move just a fraction, you can go. So if your wheels are moving as, it doesn't matter about your brake and your brake lights coming off, it's your wheels moving as the hands start to move. Look at Sam, and then look at what I did. See?
I will allow one more go, but no, I won that.
Yeah, you can have one more go.
3, 2, 1.
See, now, bollocks. He even knows. He even knows.
I got in his head. I got in his head.
You can right off. Absolutely not. No, that is such
You reckon that was a jump?
I know it was a jump because I jumped.
You didn't jump. You were just slow. Let's go and have a look. I didn't jump. I nailed that.
No, I'll have a look. Don't you worry about that. You stay over there.
You can do.
Tommy, I've forwarded a formal protest. I need you to come over here and have a bit more backbone, please.
You both left at the same time.
Bollocks.
Tommy?
He's no, look!
He doesn't jump, no.
He absolutely jumped. He does.
I'll move into scrutineering. Come on, let's have a look.
That's bollocks.
So, I don't think I jumped.
In all fairness, you didn't.
No, it's bang on. Look, it's actually perfectly timed.
It is literally bang on, yeah.
It doesn't get better than that. Okay, do you know what? Everything's been a bit of a margin call. It's one each. Let's go for it.
I accept your apology and your concession, and I'm happy to make this winner for the run.
Okay, so that wasn't an apology or a concession. You jumped once. I did it perfectly. But it's so close that it doesn't really matter.
3, 2, 1.
That was a jump and he it.
Sorry.
I got it to his head.
Why did he carry on?
That's that then. Best 2 out of 3.
This is what I deal with. They've no idea. Will, formal protest, you changed your timing.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. He's not the only one that jumps. He's not the only one. We've got to get a fair race. We've just got to somehow do it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on! Yes! Oh no!
Yes.
Well, there we go.
Yeah, the car with 100 more horsepower is quicker. Who'd have thought?
Let's do a time check.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Aston Martin won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. The Audi took 11.7 seconds.
Now we can have a rolling race. We're going to do it in first gear, roll on. Starter's going to start us. We're going to race over the half mile, see which car is the quickest. Now I've actually found an amazing deal on a Audi through Carwow. If you want to see what the car is and the deal and the saving, click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for this rolling race. That was a serious delay. Oh!
Destroyed.
Serious delay. Don't know why I'm looking down there. Got a heads-up display.
Wow.
It's really good actually, flashing away quite nicely when I got a change up, but I'm getting absolutely hammered by that Aston. And I'm doing 150 across the line. Be interested to find out what he was doing. What was your trap speed, you
152.
Only 2 miles an hour more than me. I was doing 150.
Oh, I don't know then. It's weird, isn't it? There's a physicsy answer to that and we don't know it.
If you know, just comment below. Okay, let's do another rolling race. Let's do a third gear roll on from 50. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. How did that pick up so much better? More torque.
Wow.
Can I ask you a question, Sam? And you've got to tell the truth. In fact, I need to get out of the car and have a look at your face. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me.
Second,
Look in my eyes.
Yeah.
Right. Look in my eyes.
Yeah.
Right.
Not around the eyes.
Just
in the
in my actual eyes.
Yeah.
Now look at the camera. Look at my eyes.
Mhm.
Right. You got a bit of a lazy eye. That's rich coming from me. I've got. Look at. Anyway,
Go on.
Do you brake boost when in the rolling race?
Absolutely not.
You're not?
100%
No,
not.
the left foot is not anywhere
100%.
near that
No,
brake.
because most modern road
Look at
cars,
me in the eye.
Sorry, most modern road cars, the ECU would cut you because you're doing it at the same time. It doesn't work well. You can't do it with road ECUs. So no, I never ever brake boost ever.
Okay, so his claim is that it doesn't do it because you can't do it with modern ECUs in a road car. So I'm just going to try it to see if you can. If you can,
Yeah.
you're probably lying.
I
And that means you just made up some
I absolutely don't brake boost.
Okay, let me just try something else.
Yeah, go on.
You know the brake test?
Yeah.
Do you change down the gear?
Yes, but only because of muscle memory. It doesn't make a difference.
Okay, I don't think it's brake boosting, but I'm going to try his theory that it doesn't allow you to do it on the way back down. I'm in second gear, I'm now covering the brake pedal a bit. No, he's absolutely right. Sam, you're telling the truth.
Matt, what you must remember is I'm always right. Like always. And I'd like to add that if brake boosting was available with modern ECUs, I would do it.
God, you're annoying. How does your wife even have sex with you? Surprised you've got children.
It's a cracking question, actually. Maybe we can ask her in the next video.
Okay, let's do a rolling rate. No, it's brake test, isn't it? 100 mile an hour. He will be changing down. We've established that. Frickin' hell, what? I don't know how I can do any better. There we go, you won.
Correct.
I don't know what to blame that on, apart from me. Thanks to Sam's race team for lending us the DBX, really appreciate it. Thanks to Sam for taking part and being the butt of my jokes occasionally and being, you know, letting me wind him up without ever punching me. And thanks to you for watching. Without you, we wouldn't get to be able to do this incredible job of ours. If you want to see some other videos, click on the video windows, and if you want to compare these cars' quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on the carwow logo to check out the carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.